Hey guys, my name is Cameron, the YouTube fans, and today we're gonna talk about the maintenance and troubleshooting on the double endura dynamite. So, first of all, if you have neutral performance, don't worry. It's just everything's gonna be okay. My first thing for maintenance is remove the spit, then twist it, then open it up, and check if it's all clogged. After that, put back in there and twist it and let's in place. After that, put it back in there. Alright, next you have to check the hose. So press the release button and check by turning on putting your hand over if you have suction power. After that, put the hose back into place. Then check those filters if it's all clogged. Then put it back properly. Right now, it's all locked up. Now all you have to do is check the belt. If it's all in play, it's okay. If it's broken, then get the new belts to replace it. And that's all for the maintenance of double endura dynamite. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more maintenance vacuum cleaner videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video.